Okay, so this is the SLL maintenance screen. This is in the VNC software program. It comes with every machine. What I did here was I went into the maintenance program, which is the guy with the helmet. You hit your two tools, you can go into manual mode. Now manual mode on this screen, it's showing me the elevator on this side with the extractor chains. These four yellow dots at the corners, they're the sensors looking between the trays and the elevator. When they're yellow, they're good connection. When they're grayed out, it means something's blocking it. This sensor here is a tray on elevator sensor. And this sensor here is telling me the chains are zeroed. So if I had to move the chains to clear an air, I would press the button. Then you hit this button, and you can see that my chains are moving. It's gonna give me an error if I try to do anything wrong, because I was about to collide it into a door. So I'll go back the other way. I'll zero that chain out, so it's zeroed. Elevator the same way. I can move it manually up and down. I can watch where it's going on the screen. I can go fast mode, slow mode. I can go to a certain position. This position is the pick window. Hit the go to position. So if I opened up the logic gate, which is behind us, I can manually open that up. I can see the elevator. I can see all the sensors I was looking at. The light curtain's right here. I put my hand in it. I blocked it because the door's open, so it gave me an error. So I'll clear that. And I can do this for every motor that's on the machine. The Logic pointer motor, I can run that back and forth manually just to make sure it's working, or I can zero the sensors out. And it's going to go all the way to the right side. It zeroes it out to make sure it's calibrated properly. Close the gate. And this is all troubleshooting that a lot of the other machines don't have. The good GUI, the graphic user interface that I have on this machine, and that I can troubleshoot remotely with a TeamViewer connection. And we put TeamViewer on all the machines. TeamViewer connection. Minimize your software. You would open up TeamViewer. Now it's going to give you a username and a password. The password changes every time you shut off TeamViewer. When you open it back up, you'll get a new password. So that's the connection. It's an Ethernet connection in the cabinet that you can provide to us with an IP address, and I can get remote connection, change the password, and my guys from diagnostic screen will jump into the manual screen, and we're going to start looking at sensors. We're going to look where the elevator's at, and we're going to make recommendations or move the machine accordingly. Good? Quick, but